that we have lost a veteran naval officer, that is Captain C.S. John, who has been awarded with Vishisht Seva Medal by the Navy for the good work that he had done while in the Navy. A person of his age, who was the rank of the captain at that stage, is indeed a great achievement in the service. After his retirement, he has still been continuously active till maybe a few days ago. He is part of the Navy Foundation Kerala Charter, which is an association of the retired naval officers of Kerala. We have similar associations in other places also. He has been a very active member along with his good lady, Mary. They have been attending all the activities of the Navy Foundation, and in 2010, it is we who decided that we will make a retirement home for ourselves, so that during our last stages of our life, we can live together in company of each other, caring for each other, because our children and all are away nowadays, and we cannot expect them to be with us. So he was one of the first person to join the NOR homes, what we call as Naval Officers Retirement Home also. And in fact, what I little know, he was very keen to shift there after disposing this property. But unfortunately, circumstances changed and there was a problem in disposal because of its location, and therefore he could not leave this house and shift to NOR homes. We in the Navy itself and the retired community will miss Captain John very much. We are here, very few of us, because of this COVID protocol, to pay our last respects to Captain John. I take this opportunity to say on behalf of the Navy Foundation, Kerala Charter, which is our parent organization, and on behalf of NOR homes, that we are there to care for you, Mrs. Mary John. You are still part of us and you shall continue to be so. With these few words, I would like to say one more thing in the end, that is, which is my personal opinion, that is, Captain John has been active, as I said, even till the last day, which is a great blessing, which each one of us would like to probably experience the same. Physically fit and doing all his own work and looking after the two of them and staying in such a place. And despite coming to know that he has serious problems, but it was never manifested outside, so therefore he did not suffer much. And that is another important thing which I feel that we will all look forward to, that we are able to leave this world peacefully and happily, as well as in good health till the last stage. Because we know all around us, we see so many people who are suffering, not only because of the COVID, but otherwise also there are so many elderly people and those who are suffering from many diseases for years together. So that way I would say Captain John has been a very blessed person. I'm sure he is now with the Lord and enjoying the peace with him. May God bless his soul with the God. Thank you very much. I am Captain Rajan George. I will be laying the wreath on behalf of the Naval Officers Retirement Home. I will be followed by Commodore P. Suresh, who is the Vice President of the Navy Foundation Kerala Charter. Along with him is Commander Jalesh, who is the Secretary of the Navy Foundation. And then we have a young lady officer, Surlafan Simran Rana, who has come representing the Indian Navy, along with the colleague who will be sounding the bugle. After I lay the wreath, thereafter I will call upon Commodore Suresh, then Simran to lay the wreath on behalf of the Chief of the Naval Staff, and then they will sound the last post, which is a great honor given to the person who has passed away by the services. So the last post will be sounded. We will be saluting during that time. Then after the post is sounded, there will be a small gap of silence, a silent time for prayer, to say our own prayer, and thereafter reveille will be sounded. Reveille is a wake-up call. That means we are bidding him goodbye, and then thereafter life starts again. That is to say, okay, let's all wake up and we live our life, continue to live our life. So that is just the background of what the last post will be sounded here, and we are extremely grateful for the Navy to have sent the representative here for this function, because under these circumstances I never really expected that it will be possible. But indeed we thank the Navy. Please convey to the commanding officer in the CNC that our sincere thanks on behalf of the Navy Foundation and the North Homes also. Thank you very much. With those words, I shall be laying the wreath on behalf of the Naval Officers Retirement Home. Commodore T. Suresh, Navy Foundation. I now call upon Dr. Sunil on behalf of the Chief of the Naval Staff. Give the order from there. We will salute.
Bugle, attack! Thank you.